Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to Jet Plus Academy channel. Today I am going to discuss about origin of geometry from a point. This is the first basic foundation in how to command geometry. And this very video is going to be very interesting. Just please view till last. And I am going to tell you whatever I told in previous video. Just as Stephen Hawking propounded the theory of inverse, that this very inverse is made up of only point object. This inverse, ordered inverse, originated from a point object. Everything, just this very point object created this entire ordered inverse, and from that mass, energy, time, space, etc. All these things created so much infinite, so much what? Infinite inverse. Just like the same, geometry too originated from a point. Like the same, I am just describing it how geometry originated from a point. Just like the theory of universe propounded by Stephen Hawking. Come on, this is the point. What is the definition of point? Definition of point, you can see it has no length, no breadth, no height, no thickness, no depth. Neither it has length, nor breadth, nor height, nor thickness, nor depth. Then you can define point is that geometrical figure having no length, no breadth, no height, no thickness, no depth. Then in understanding origin of geometry from a point, in this topic how to command geometry, I am telling you first point. Just look, first point is point. पहला point है आपके सामने आया, ठीक। नाउ स्टेप बाय स्टेप बने रहिएगा, लास्ट तक देखते रहिएगा आप। और प्लीज whoever has not subscribed this very channel, just view till the last video, and if it is effective and comprehensible to you, then please like and subscribe the channel and share it to maximum number for its maximum promotion, right? Come on. Now first of all, we have defined point. In this sequence, second number is, suppose that when this point moves this on straight path, when this point moves on straight path and goes, then path of point, first of all this was point, then path of point, this is locus. This is known as locus. In Hindi medium, student study बिंदु पथ, यानी बिंदु का रास्ता, right? This is path of point. When this point from a position goes towards the infinity, this become ray. This is known as ray, right? यानी second one आपका locus and ray. Come on. Second one locus यानी बिंदु पथ. When you have understood about the point, next number is locus. It means point starts moving, ठीक. Then path covered by that very point will known as locus, and this very locus, if it goes towards the infinity, then this locus is known as ray, right? Yani it means it has start but no end. This is known as ray. Come on. Now we go on third point. Third point, when this point on one hand go one infinity, positive infinity you can say right hand side, and here here on state path locus जो इसका स्टेट locus है goes towards the negative infinity. This is known as line. Now third point is your line. This geometrical figure is known as line. Come on. Now look, when there is line means straight locus. How can you define line? The straight locus from negative infinity to positive infinity is known as line. This is the exact scientific and mathematical definition of line. Come on. And when you take one part of this line, if you taking this part of line, this is known as line segment. Means you are take portion or part or segment. This is known as line segment, right? Then third point, line and line segment, right? You can take line segment. Come on. Now when fourth point, now look, this is very interesting. Geometry has been started from point. Come on, and moving next advanced topics. Come on. Now fourth one, just study. Now fourth one, if two line, namely L line and M line, right? If L line, M line intersect each other, when these intersect each other, then slope or inclination, this very slope. Suppose that this is O point, they intersect at O point, and the slope or inclination created by the intersection of these two LM lines will known as the angle. This is known as angle. Now fourth one, this will be your angle, right? Come on. Already I have told you it has started from point, then moving other topics, right? Now this is the story or origin of angle. Origin of point created locus, locus created line and segment, intersection of lines created angle. Now see, fifth one, when three lines intersect each other, suppose that namely L line, M line and L line intersect each other, then closed figure, right? This closed figure, by the intersection of three lines, the closed figure prepared is fifth one, triangle. Now see, then this is the origin of triangle. Come on. When sixth point, when four lines intersect each other, L, M, N, O. These lines intersect, then closed figure created from these four lines known as quadrilateral. This known as quadrilateral. ठीक, चतुर्भुज. Now like the same when five lines intersect each other, then closed figure known as pentagon. When six line intersection, closed figure hexagon. When seven lines intersect, closed figure heptagon. Now in 8 lines intersection, octagon. In 9 lines of intersection, nonagon. In 10 lines, decagon. Now so on. Now one thing more to be understood here. Come on. Now 7th point, when there is fixed point, when there is fixed point and other point is moving around this very fixed point in such a way that its distance is always same from all its moves, सभी मूव्स पर जो है इसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो सेम रहती है, इसको आप जानते हैं रेडियस. देन दिस वेरी क्लोज्ड फिगर नोन एज सर्कल. This is known as circle, right? This is known as circle. Now you have seen now at point. Now at point, when this very point moves in such a way, in such a locus, this is known as curve. This is known as curve. Now, if you are going in 3D figures, also 3D figures, as like I have told you, all 3D figures are just the stories of these 2D figures. Cylinder, this is rectangle. Rectangle from quadrilateral. If you are seeing this sheet, quadrilateral sheet, you are seeing rectangular sheet, you are seeing. If you are rolling either lengthwise or breadthwise, it is created cylinder. Then all 3D figures, eighth one, all 3D figures are created from 2D figures, right? 2D figures को जब shape में दिया गया, it has given if in shape, then this was the entire science of 3D figures in geometry, right? Now it is very interesting that you are looking as Stephen Hawking theory of inverse. Entire universe is created from point object. Just like the same, entire geometry is originated from point. From point there is locus, origin of locus. From locus, origin of line. From line, origin of angle. From angle and lines created triangle. All 2D figures created from this. Now you are just have clearly seen that all the geometrical figures, all the geometrical sphere are just the story of the point and direction of point. Now I am going to tell you. Now this is the first point. This is the first point in study how to command geometry, origin of geometry from a point. And you think and about this I have given one very early video on my channel. You can just search it from origin of something out of nothing. It means point to is nothing. What is point? Nothing. But from nothing there is origin of something, that is geometry, right? Just like the point object created the entire ordered universe. It's okay. Please promote this very channel in maximum way. Now very soon I am coming with a new video here. Then till that, please have a good day, stay safe and secure. Thank you very much.